Hello YouTube, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Are you keen on saving money for your company through improved maintenance programs? Stick around as we delve into how certain tweaks in areas such as HVAC systems, outdated equipment, and many more can lead to enormous savings. In this video, we'll be answering questions like, what are some of the ways to improve maintenance efficiency? How can energy be saved in the process? And where do these additional resources come from? Let's explore these queries and offer recommendations to enhance your maintenance program. Did you know that by improving maintenance programs, companies can save a lot of money? Yes, that's right. Focusing on areas like HVAC systems, older equipment, and much more can translate into huge bottom-line savings. In many cases, these small changes can help you make lasting long-term investments in maintenance programs. What are some of these ways? How can companies efficiently change and improve their maintenance programs to save energy? And where do those extra resources come from for a company? Let's dive into these questions and provide recommendations on how to make overall improvements to your maintenance program. First, let's identify where improvements can be made. In general, these systems and assets are most in need of improvements that also save energy. First on our list is HVAC systems. HVAC systems are one of those systems that people tend to forget about. This means that older systems could be wasting energy and money due to improvements that have not been made. Second, we have windows. It is harder to insulate a building if it has windows, which could translate into more energy usage. Out-of-date windows or older models could be costing companies more than anyone thinks. Third, we have older equipment. It's tempting to think that when something still works, people can still use it. When equipment is older, it could be another source of wasted energy behind the scenes due to higher energy requirements to sustain the equipment. For example, an older refrigerator requires higher voltages of power for it to operate. Fourth, we have general maintenance systems. Maintenance systems are easy to put on a routine and keep them there. Sometimes, this goes on for years, and the needs of the company change as well. This creates inefficiency. Therefore, it's important to assess whether scheduled maintenance matches business needs continually as the company grows. Last but not least, we have lighting systems. When was the last time lights were changed before they burnt out? Older lighting systems can also take up energy. Most of the time, people don't think about maintaining these systems. The maintenance that does happen on these systems is only when they break down or become noticeably inefficient. This is called reactive maintenance. Due to the nature of this type of maintenance, it tends to be expensive and rushed. Both of these things waste energy over time. That's before you include such things as human error, simple mistakes over time, and other gaps in your maintenance program. So how can companies cut down on these leaks? Here are 3 ways to improve your maintenance program. First, evaluate your maintenance program and strategy. This is the first step in saving energy. It lets you see where different gaps are in your current maintenance plan. Second, learn about your maintenance options. This enables you and your company see which processes may be most beneficial in the long run. For example, you may want to set in place reliability-centered maintenance before you implement a preventive maintenance plan. Finally, consider using a CMMS, which stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. This can pull all your maintenance efforts together in an orderly, effective, and centralized way. So there you have it. By focusing on these areas, you can significantly improve your maintenance program and save energy, leading to substantial cost savings for your company. Thank you for watching. We've just covered how to improve maintenance efficiency and save energy in your company. Remember, small changes in areas like HVAC systems, outdated equipment, and maintenance systems can lead to big savings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.